In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the screen orientation for the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, as you can see, my always on display has been set to portrait mode. So if you want to change that to landscape, all you need to do is open the settings app, and under settings, scroll down until you find lock screen. Under lock screen, select always on display, and then you should look for the option screen orientation. So as you can see, mine is currently set to portrait. If you want to change it to landscape, just tap on landscape, and then you'll notice that when you go to always on display in landscape mode, it has appeared. If you want to change it back to portrait, just open your phone, go to settings, select lock screen, always on display, screen orientation, and then tap on portrait. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.